Hello, my name is Wyatt, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my build with box jades. Box jades are a box switch cow that are really clicky. So I'm going to be building on this blue plastic case. I'm going to be using this aluminum plate. And then I'm going to be using this PCB. It's from KBD Fans. And then these are white stabilizers, as you can see. I find them really good, actually. And then these are the box jades. And then lastly, I'm going to be using these light blue keycaps, which I think look really cool for this build. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lube your stabilizers. So you're going to take them out of the bag. And these are plate mounted stabilizers, so they're pretty easy to mount. You're going to get 4 of the smaller stabilizers and 1 of the long stabilizers. The long one's going to go in the space bar. After you finished lubing your stabilizers, you're going to put them in the plate. So you kind of just push them in, you'll hear a little click. Once you're done putting in your stabilizers, I like to put in switches at the 4 corners and in the space bar of the plate before I put them on the PCB, so that way it's just easier to put the other ones in. I find it easier. So you kind of just put them in right way and then push. You'll hear a little click. That means that they're in. Line it up the right way, making sure that the hole or that it fits right on top, so that way each little pin goes in the hole so the pins don't break. And then you're going to put all of the switches inside the slots. After you've done this, then you're going to need to solder them in. So you want to flip over the whole thing, and you're gonna see these pins poking through these holes on the sides. As you can see, you put the soldering iron on top of it, touching it, and then you're just gonna put a little bit of the wire, so that way the wire burns and fills the hole and kind of like connects it all. And you're gonna do this for every single switch on the board. It takes a long time, but it's worth it. And now once you finish soldering all of your switches in, you're going to try to mount it to the plate. Or to the case, sorry. So, as you can see, I got this nice, pretty blue plastic case. And you're just going to line the holes up and make sure that the USB-C port on the top of the PCB is going to be lining up with the hole. Although you really should make sure that they're compatible with each other before you buy all of the parts. So I got this case foam. This is completely optional. I think it makes it sound much better. So you're going to line it up with the holes so that way you can still put the screws in. And then just put this on top. And it's as easy as that. Screw it in. Once you've screwed it in, it's time to start putting the keycaps on. And finally, once you finish putting your keycaps on, congratulations, you finished the build.